in your life. Take notice. What solutions are you looking for in your lives? What are you trying to solve? What are you trying to solve? What do you want? You as a human being, not you as a parent, not you as an uncle, not you as an employee, not you as an employer, not you as a wife, not you as a husband. But what do you want in your life? And if up till now, that one thing that you have identified, and you think that it keeps changing, then you haven't discovered your real want. Because the truest want that you have does not change. That is its nature. That is its beauty. Because it's real. It is not influenced by what happens around you. Who comes and who goes in your life, it has nothing to do with it. You live in a world that changes and changes and changes and changes and changes and changes. You live in a body that changes and changes and changes and changes every day. Every day it changes. You live in a house that changes every day. Yes, all those door seals are slowly deteriorating. Every day they deteriorate a little bit, a little bit, a little bit. Doesn't matter how strong your house is, it sags, slowly sags. Earth shifts. You live on this earth that wasn't there. That wasn't there. And all this dust that you've been trying to get rid of, the dust came together, compacted, and created this planet Earth. And when it first came together, it was nasty. It was hot, no oxygen, no water. You couldn't live. And geographically speaking, just for a little while, it reached this optimum state where there's enough oxygen, right temperature, all of this stuff, and you exist. It is, and has been since its first day of inception, in a steady decline. Dust wants to become dust again. All this that has been glued together will disassemble. The sun getting closer and closer and closer to Earth. This is what's happening. Every day that you don't think about it, every day that you just go on with your business. This is what's happening. And here you are. You don't want to be aware of this. because it would force too many issues. And one of the issues that it would force is, what are you doing? What are you doing? That would be too severe of an issue to face. Imagine, and this is a very good analogy, you're going on a vacation. You go on a vacation maybe for a week. Now you know the vacation is going to end. You know that the day you begin. So you can go, oh, this is terrible. It's going to end. Is that what you do? You know the vacation is going to end and it's all too soon, and so what do? Lament? Oh, God. I should have never come on this vacation because it's going to end. I dare not have any good time because I know for sure this is going to end. No. It's quite the contrary. You will have absolutely the best possible time that you can within the confines of those days. You don't want to miss a moment, you don't want to miss an hour, you want it all. And that is how your life should be. Really.